Listen up, bros, families, friends, brothers, sisters, relatives. Now, I want to make this video for. Because most times, we dey do some certain things. I don't know wetin with the reason. We go dey do things, sorry to say this word, we go dey do things where we say we take and dey fool ourselves. You understand? They draw ourselves back. Then we go dey feel say maybe we dey do and make it pain the person. You understand? I don't know. The reason I want to say this is this. Families, I don't know why they find it difficult to support themselves. Brothers find it difficult to support their brothers. Sisters find it difficult to support their sisters. You as my family, you call yourself my family. You are celebrating Wizkid. You celebrate all the Frank Edward. You celebrate all these Nollywood stars. All of them are from different families. They are strangers to you. They don't even know you exist. If you want to die of hunger, they don't know. They don't care. They don't send you. Yet you die for them. You celebrate them. But your own brother, your own sister that feels your pain, that knows your pain, you can't help him. You can't support him to excel in his goal. Or you think say because you be my brother, you be my sister, today if I blow, who the glory go to? You think say now me the glory go to? You will be very proud to talk for public, say this guy Onyechukwu Meze na my brother, na my papa born, na my uncle, na my this, na my nephew. You go dey proud to dey talk like that for public. But you no go support me. Then all these people where you dey celebrate, if they no support those people, they go dey that place where you dey. Abi you think say those people they get talent, abi they talk past me, or abi you think say they speak past me, abi you think say they educated past me. You don't just want to support me, maybe because you feel you want to let me down. You are a fake brother. I call you fake brother. I call you fake sister. I call you fake friend. You laugh with me. You say you are my friend, but you can't support what I do. Support me. Every day by day, you are online. You are on Facebook. You are on Twitter. You are on Instagram. You are on YouTube, watching videos of people that you don't know. But your own that is doing the same thing, you can't even go to that person's page. If you see you are scrolling on Facebook, you see his post, his or her post, you will bypass. You will leave it. He says, see this mom, what thing they do? You they do yourself. At that time, you thought you are doing that person, but you are doing yourself. You don't know. It will not take you anything to go to my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, just type OCM Production. OCM Production. Type it, you subscribe. You will be seeing the every of my posts. You will be getting notification. You will be watching it. You will get entertained. At the talk. Not be say, I get mad. All these people where they celebrate, they know better past me. Families, now they talk to. My brothers, now they talk to. Men are not be just brother for mouth. Men are not be fake brothers. Sisters, now they talk to. Friends, men are not be fake friends. Now they talk to. Brother, now corporation make rise the fee portal if you don't know. So now I make I say for Facebook, if I post something now for Facebook, many of them, especially my families, una no go even share. But I they see other people who una don't know, we don't even know say una they exist. I they see them, they share their post. I they see them. But your own, you no go share your post. If you see them, you go walk past. That is what I call envy. And you want to be successful, my dear, you can't be. Support your own because your own is your own. If worse come to worse today, brother, who you go call? Na me will be your brother. Mad person say you say mad person, nobody get and kill him. Now that you go know say your family go come out. You understand? Please, men are they support on a family member. Grow. You know, go take on anything to subscribe to my YouTube channel, OCM Production TV. Just type on for YouTube, you go come out. You subscribe, back up, you click the notification button. You go to see everything when I post. Support me, I'm your own. God knows the reason why he brought me to your family. God knows the reason why he made me your friend. Appreciate the friendship by supporting what I do. Go to Instagram. You every day by day, you are on Instagram appreciating people you don't know, people that doesn't know you exist. But your own, me that knows that you exist. You don't want to support me. Why? My brother, my sister, families, go to Instagram. That your Instagram. Type Onyechukwu Meze 90. I'll go be there. Follow me. You go to see every of my updates. You understand? OCM Production. That is my Facebook page. Type am. You follow am. Support me. Share my videos. Share my posts. Support me. If I blow today, guy, you have my prestige to you. You go to use me the post. I'm your family. I'll be your friend. I can't deny you. Support your family. You understand? Because what's come to worse in our family, you go still don't go. You understand? Outside, if they pursue you, outside has pursue you. Now inside house, you don't they come. So why will they envy our brothers and sisters? Let's support ourselves so that we can grow. Now so it be. You know where they talk this thing? Because now me be Onyechukwu Meze. Who God has made king, he has made him king. Surugede is the dance of the spirits. A child that wants to know the cause of his parents' deaths must be ready to dance to the tune of Surugede. My brother, what you not know, you not know. He senior you, now your grandpapa and now your grandmama. Now so the matter reach. One love.